What is a microwave?
Microwave. I hear is the combination of sounds.
Is this nigga serious?
Give me an example of a microwave.
Microwave. Okay, I see the chip. Microchip. Microphone.
Jesus!
And the MTN.
MTN, they are all microwaves.
Yes, sir.
Microwaves, I think, is a smaller fish in the sea.
Hey!
A small fish in the sea.
Yes.
Where will you find microwaves?
You can find in Lake Kivu, Victoria, Lake Mwazi in Rwanda, and so on.
So how many times do you eat microwaves in a week?
In 3 times or 4.
Can you name 5 examples of microwaves for me?
Yes, trapia, sardine, and so on.
Which one is your favorite microwave?
Trapia.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?